Hey everyone. So is the ice maker in your Bosch fridge not working? Maybe it stopped making ice completely, or the ice tray just stays empty no matter how long you wait. Uh, yeah, that's a pretty common problem, and the good news is, most of the time, it's actually easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple ways to fix a Bosch fridge ice maker that isn't working in 2026, and most of these checks only take a few minutes. First, make sure the ice maker is actually turned on. Sometimes the switch or control setting gets turned off accidentally and the fridge simply stops producing ice. Next, check the water supply going to your refrigerator. If the water line is disconnected, kinked, or the valve is turned off, the ice maker won't receive water to make ice. Many Bosch ice makers use a small control arm or sensor that detects when the ice bin is full. If that arm is stuck in the upward position, the ice maker will think the bin is already full and stop producing ice. Another important thing is freezer temperature. Ice makers usually need the freezer to be around 0 degrees Fahrenheit or about minus 18 degrees Celsius. If the freezer is too warm, the ice maker won't work properly. If your refrigerator uses a water filter, try replacing it. A clogged filter can restrict water flow and prevent the ice maker from filling with water. Some Bosch refrigerators allow you to reset the ice maker. A quick reset can restart the ice production cycle and fix small glitches. Finally, check for ice jams or frozen buildup inside the ice maker. If ice pieces are stuck in the tray or mechanism, gently clear them out and allow the system to run again. And that's it. Most Bosch fridge ice maker problems can be solved by checking the water supply, adjusting the freezer temperature, or resetting the ice maker system. If this guide helped you fix the issue, feel free to check out more quick appliance repair tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.